Hello, I'm Carmen Williams and welcome to OMO TV. We have a winner on our giveaway today, so stick around. It's coming up right now. Whoa, yeah. Alright, here we are. We're getting ready to do the giveaway right now. So these are the people that met the deadline and met all 4 requirements. They had to first subscribe to the channel. They had to watch the video all the way through. They had to put the word stove in the comment reply section. And they had to hit a like. I had to put a like on it. So these are the people that did it and did it in by the deadline. Okay, so we have John Bickley, Johnny Bickley, Danny McMillian, TJ Bull, Eva Belkowski, hope I said that right, Debbie Denning, or Denig, I'm not sure. Anyway, you know who you are, Debbie. We know you too. We'll get in touch with you if you win. Then we got Lisa Hummel, Derek Legg, Penny Hartlib, Skippy, J3 Hikes, and Missouri Adventures. Before we do this drawing, I want to just wish everybody good luck. I'm terrible. I can be the only name in the jar and still lose. So I've always given it the best shot. The best thing to do is that just keep trying. You know, we're going to be doing other things as well. So here we go. This is for the drawing for the DIY sexy alcohol Zen-Style stove, you know. You ready? Here we go. Okay, Maggie, go ahead and pick it out. Pick out what you want, whoever it is. Who is it? Danny McMillian. There you go. Yeah, you're the winner. Yay! Everybody, give a big round of applause. Ready, Maggie? Yeah. Okay. I'll get in touch with you and we'll figure out how to get it to you. Okay. All right. Congratulations. See ya. Bye, everybody. Stick around. We got a lot of other videos coming out. I just put one out today, matter of fact. You know what it was?
No.
It was on the Perea.
Oh, the sleep pad.
Yeah, the Recharge S.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man, that was a good one. So
I was at work.
That's right. So anyway, we've got more stuff coming to you. I think I'm going to do shoes. That'll get everyone ticked off. So anyway, stick around. We'll get back with you later. And again, congratulations to Danny. Yeah. Okay. See ya. Bye.